Good evening, or it's actually midday, excuse me, here in Denmark. Thank you for tuning back in to the channel. Quickly, we're going to go through the Twitter recap. I know it doesn't get a lot of attention, but still I like to do it. Again, if you like it, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, well, if you don't like it, you probably don't see it. But anyways, if you like it, let me know. If I should keep doing them or not, I don't know. It's up for debate, I guess, with myself. And yeah, let's click right into it. I will start from the bottom, meaning the um, the oldest post will get shown first, then we go towards the present time here. This is Tavi Costa. Gold remains impressively resilient despite the pressure from the real rates. The weakening of the correlation between the inflation-adjusted yields and precious metals is becoming more apparent. And I agree. The bond market broke in early 2020 when they shut down the entire economy. And you can see on the bonds, on the gold to silver ratio, you can see the massive spike there, causing the system to basically die. So I agree with Tavi Costa here. Gold is very resilient. If we get the TLTs um, to increase in value, gold will absolutely pop. Anyways, gold will do it no matter what in my view. This is rock bottom entries. Silver 3-year consolidation, high probabilities, 38 hits this coming month with an S, so multiples. Yeah, in a couple of months. Yeah, well, I mean, silver does move fast once it gets it going, right? But still, we are on the brink here. 26, as you know, is my big goal level. And then we have the 28, which I know many people has also as the big level to go. So, but in my view, 36, excuse me, 26 will be the way to go. Again, yes, inverted cup handle, inverted head and shoulders here. You have some measured moves. Um, Again, if you look at the gold to silver ratio, we are breaking down. I will do a video on that exclusively, hopefully right after this video. So Disney doesn't look very good right here. I mean, we have the lows from 2020 and the 2014. And right now we are trying to break down here. Again, you could have a squeeze here, a falling wedge here maybe, but still Disney is in a lot of hurt at the moment. Hedgehog Trader Gold 40-year seasonality chart. Just want to show you we are, we've had August, which was a pretty good month to be honest for gold and silver. And now we are just the September is into October, November is the big one. So hopefully this is also where we see that big breakout on the gold to silver ratio to the downside. Gold up, silver up. Let's go. Let's go. Again, Tavi here. You can see it here all the way down. Shown many times as well on the channel. We are very close to a big move, similar to what we saw in 2008. It was 2009. I can't remember exactly. Big moves ahead for gold and silver ratio, for the gold and silver, excuse me. The Happy Hawaiian, being long silver miners here, is going to prove to be right, to be the right move. Yes, 10 days ago I said silver and gold miners is an absolute steal. Looking at the same metrics as the Happy Hawaiian does, I agree with his take on this whole move down here. This blue line is a very long-term trend line support, which we're bouncing up from. You buy low here. Could it dip lower? Sure, but you are buying at a very low point in time. Again, if gold and silver really starts to move here, SILJ, silver miners, SIL, and so on will do even better. So there you have it. Grady, Wheaton's precious metals. That's a huge purple bull flag breakout and backtest for a big dog. Royalty, precious metals royalty company Wheaton Outlaw. Excuse me. Wheaton is a sector leader, so what it does is important. And the pink backtest is holding so far. Great. This is the inverted head and shoulders going back very long time. From the highs of 11 into 2020. Big move in a bull flag breakout, retesting that upper wick. So beautiful. You have the arc here as well. So this could go into the triple digits very quickly. Here it is, the thing that I'm looking at. I've been talking about the gold to silver ratio. I want to explain it quite a bit here without having my own tools. This is the important one, the expanding, rising formation. We have the pole, and then we are breaking right here, right now. This is on a is it nominal scale? No, it's log scale, but still, it's totally valid. We have a 50% drop here from the top to there. Then we have this, excuse me, expanding formation, and we are breaking down here all the way down. And we will probably come down to the neckline here, bounce a bit at the, what is that? That's 65. We'll bounce a bit, and then we will roll over. And then this whole big macro head and shoulders will, what's it called, trigger. And the measured move is the bottom of 2011. Yes, I totally agree. If we can get a weekly close below, as you know, 78.5, it's, in my view, game on. Lovely, lovely. I found this funny. This is the Centros Energy Corp. Um, that's a big, crappy pattern. I love it. North Star here. Something or nothing uranium or Bitcoin. The global X, the Euro against the Bitcoin. You can see here heavily, the URA has been underperforming heavily with this Bitcoin. We're coming into this one here. I showed a similar chart as well on Twitter, and if we can get above, URA is outperforming the Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin had a big day yesterday, so I don't know exactly how it looks, but let's wait for a monthly close. This is a 3-monthly actually, but still, it could be a big cup here again. I don't think so because the amount of percentage that URA has to do against Bitcoin doesn't seem possible. But still, I'll take half any day of the week or a third, doesn't matter. Stocks versus commodities, right there. There you have it. Overall stocks against commodities, the XPX divided by the CRB. And right here, you can see here the rising wedge, very bearish, all the way up. We're bouncing towards the trend line. I don't know exactly what time scale this is. I think it's the weekly, maybe, or the daily. But anyways, we're heading lower again. And that's beautiful. I think if you draw a parallel here or a channel, a trend line here, you have a breakdown right there. Beautiful. I love it. We love commodities right now. So there it is. Bitcoin, look away if you're easily triggered. This was the big move that we had yesterday. I think it was some sort of grayscale cascade, whatever, against the SEC. I don't know exactly, but it came out exactly as also we had a very bad overall data from, I think it was the JOLTS report came out. So big day yesterday for Bitcoin. Again, it's probably making head and shoulders right here, but again, until proven otherwise, we have to see. Again, it has to get above the 31K before it can have any reasonable bullish side to it to the 35K. So North Star again. If you think gold is in a bear market, you are not paying attention. Look at this. This is in world currency units. So I think this is measured in 20 currencies. I don't know how they mix it in together, but that is what they do. How they do it, I don't know, and how they weigh and so on. I have absolutely no idea. But still, overall, you can see here the flagpole all the way into the flag here, breakout retesting here right now. It's beautiful. And his target is the 2000 VCU. So overall, in the world, gold will rise 33%. And of course, more in some currencies than others. But yeah, Palladium here, Grady. It's nice to see him talk about Palladium. Has a enormous 40-year parabolic base in the making since 1982. It went up 7,000%, give or take. But a parabolic base moves steady until it goes even faster. So at some point, it will go into overdrive. Yes. Also, we have this. Again, if you have followed the daily recaps on commodities, this is a 3-month, I would assume. Even, I think doesn't matter. It's a month maybe. But anyways, this is in my view, textbook elite wave correction down here. We are in a falling wedge and we are at that long-term support. So again, if we break the wedge to the upside, I think Palladium could do some serious movements without people even looking at it. Again, North Star here, silver. Again, in world currency units. Look at this bad boy. This is a 3-month candle, and we are breaking out of the 3-month body trend line right here coming across. Also, we have a wick trend line coming down here, which is, we're still a tad below. But anyways, silver, again, if this really is the move with the gold to silver ratio, it is where it starts, and it could have started yesterday. I will make a video on it very shortly. And again, if you enjoy these, let me know. If I could add anything in to spice it up a bit, let me know. I will gladly take any requests or any negative feedback. Have a great day, guys, and we will see you in the next one for sure. Bye.